Cine? Ce-i? Ce-a fost pe aici? Ciripesc cu glasuri mici, cinteze și pitulici. The Laurel is live and the Dharma Wheel has started spinning. The Laurel is a project built for and by volunteers to prove and reward generosity. This is the start of the Laurel mechanism. When you join the Laurel, you receive 10 marketing laurels that you can use to create and claim simple tasks, like posting a tweet about the Laurel. Then the system gives you 10 marketing laurels in addition as reward, and repeating some more volunteering tasks, the amount of laurels increases. And I was able to exchange some of these marketing laurels for other types of laurels. So the cycle was already started on-chain by me alone by earning my first 5 marketing laurels. That corresponds to 5 minutes of volunteer work proven by a link to the output of that work. This is analogous to mining 5 tokens, and the total token supply increased by that much. At any point in time, when other volunteers join the system, they can vote on my claim by either rewarding me with their laurels for my work, or rewarding a competing option and reverting my reward, or claiming the volunteering task instead of me. The goal of a volunteering task is to achieve something useful for others. If many people benefit from a task, it should have their support to the point that the volunteer is rewarded beyond what was asked of him. If the volunteering task only benefits the volunteer or a small group of people, then this is not volunteer effort, and true volunteers have the duty to protect the system by challenging the claim. The same stands for when it is found out that the volunteer has received benefits outside the system of laurels. And here is another feature. Anybody who wants to wrongfully challenge a volunteer leaves himself exposed to an even greater reverting of rewards. In addition, more volunteers are motivated to challenge the challenger after each gain reversal. So the laurel is a system where truth cannot but eventually prevail. This system was designed to never forget a transgression, and if you purposefully become a bad actor, you will eventually reach a balance of 0 and be unable to restart earning without other volunteers bailing you out. Eventually, you will want to open a new account and lose all past bad history, but that means losing any and all passive income from volunteers that have you as an ancestor. Here you can see the aggregated amounts of marketing laurels that I earned for each task, starting with the first 5. This monitoring DApp will be used by volunteers to check their status within the ecosystem, also for comparison with other volunteers. Today you have seen an implementation of these principles. In future episodes, I will show you how other types of laurels are used and how I am able to set tasks for others, give them rewards out of the laurels earned by me in this video. Also, the beneficial effects of inflation and how healthy inflation is obtained.